cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription or a free trial. So if you want to cancel your Gemini Advanced subscription and your free trial, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. So go to gemini.google.com and log into your Google account. Once you've logged into your Google account, click on the menu button, which is usually the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. Here on the top left corner, you will have this kind of interface. Simply click on that option. And then you need to go with the settings and click on Manage Subscription, which is here on the bottom of your screen. Once you go with Manage Subscription, you'll be redirected to the Google One settings page. You can find the Cancel Membership option and then go with the Cancel button, which is here on the bottom right. Once you click on the Cancel Membership, then you'll be able to cancel your membership. A confirmation pop-up will show up on your screen, and then you need to select the cancel and your subscription will be canceled. So that's how you can cancel a Gemini Advanced subscription. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.